Hi guys, my name is Shaylee Benny, and today we're gonna go over the Half-Life questions. And I'm just gonna explain a little bit about what Half-Life is and how we use log in it. But basically, Half-Life is the amount of time it takes for a substance to decay to half of its original amount. We use it a lot in science and medicine. So here is the equation. It is, let's see. I'm just gonna draw on my screen. It's gonna be y equals y naught e to the power of my negative kt. Y is the amount remaining. Here, maybe I won't write these all out because it might take me a minute, but y is gonna be the amount remaining after after time. And then k is our decay constant. E, we just use ln for that. And then y naught is our original amount. Okay, so I have an example here. It says carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years. Find the amount of carbon-14 remaining after T years if no additional carbon is ingested. Okay, so we know the half-life is 5,730. And we're trying to find T years. So first, I'm going to plug in 0.5 equals E. So we just divided this number with this number, and we got 0.5 because this is 1 and this is 2. So 0.5 equals E, and then negative K times 5,730. Okay, our next step was to use the ln, and um we end up with k equals ln 0.5 divided by negative 5730. All right. Now in this form, we find if we plug this into our calculator, that k equals approximately 0.000121. And we can actually use this number for the next problem I was gonna do. It says an archaeologist uncovers human remains at an ancient Roman burial site and finds that 76.6% of the carbon-14 still remains in the bone. How old is the bone? And for this one, I can do this one pretty fast, but so it was 76.6%. So we're gonna put that in decimal form. Get 0.766 equals e to the negative 0.000121, which is where we got this k number. And then we're going to multiply by that by t. So we're trying to find T. We're trying to find how old the bone is. And after that, we would use the ln again, the that's wrong. And that gets us to T equals 0 or ln times 0.766 over the negative 0.0000121. And if we plug this into the calculator, we get approximately 2,200 years. So that's how old the bone is. Half-life equation, it's used a lot. There are some common mistakes that people make. They sometimes will forget to divide the original amount by the amount remaining. And sometimes they don't multiply by the half-life. Also sometimes they forget how to get rid of this E. There's a couple mistakes, but it's really important to use the half-life equation because it helps us in a lot of things. And